5 Secrets You Didn't Know About Tesla's Test Cars. Hey there, Tesla enthusiasts! Welcome to Tesla Automated by Tesla, your go-to channel for all things Tesla. I'm your host, and today we're going to reveal 5 secrets you didn't know about Tesla's test cars. From spacecraft to electric cars, we'll dive into the fascinating world of Tesla's testing process. Secret number 1: Tesla's test cars are everywhere. You might be surprised to learn that Tesla's test cars are driving around on public roads, right next to you. These cars are equipped with advanced sensors and cameras, collecting data to improve Tesla's autopilot technology. Secret number 2: Tesla's spacecraft testing. Did you know that Tesla's testing doesn't just stop at cars? Elon Musk's SpaceX is also testing its Starship prototype, which could potentially take humans to Mars. The data collected from these tests will help improve the safety and efficiency of space travel. Secret number 3: Tesla's autonomous truck testing. Tesla's autonomous truck testing is another secret you might not know about. The company's semi-truck prototype is being tested on public roads, equipped with advanced sensors and cameras to improve its autopilot technology. Secret number 4: Tesla solar panel testing. Tesla's solar panel testing is another area where the company is pushing the boundaries of innovation. At its testing facilities, Tesla is experimenting with new solar panel technologies to improve their efficiency and durability. Secret number 5: Tesla Cybertruck testing. Last but not least, Tesla Cybertruck testing is another secret you might not know about. The company's futuristic pickup truck is being tested on public roads, equipped with advanced sensors and cameras to improve its autopilot technology. Conclusion. That's it for today, folks. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the secret world of Tesla's test cars. If you liked this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. And if you're feeling generous, hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all our latest videos. Until next time, stay charged and keep on automating. And subscribe.